Welcome to Study Loop.
How fast is the center moving? The formula to calculate the speed at the center of mass is our diameter of our hoop divided by 2 times our angular velocity. We have 1.20 divided by 2 times 2.60, and we get 1.56 meters per second. We'd like to find what's the total kinetic energy. To find our total kinetic energy is 1/2 mass v at the center squared plus 1/2 times mass times diameter over 2 squared times 4 times the center of mass over d squared. And so we get 5.35 joules. Now we'd like to find the velocity vector at each of these points. Okay, to calculate our velocity vector, at the highest point, that's equal to our velocity vector at the center of mass plus diameter over 2 times omega. So we get 3.12 meters per second, and it's going to be towards the right. So this is at the highest point. At the lowest point, we just have 0 meters per second. Now, at the right side, we need to find our velocity at the midpoint, which is the square root of our velocity at the center squared plus d over 2 omega squared. And we get 2.21 meters per second. It's going to be acting 45 degrees below the horizontal line. Now we'd like to find the velocity vector for each of these parts in C. Now to find it at the highest point, VH bar, or H prime, is just our diameter over 2 times omega, or 1.56 meters per second. Now at the lowest point, that's just diameter over 2 times omega, or again, 1.56 meters per second. At the midpoint, we just have 1.56 meters per second.